Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Scorpio. This is weekly reading. This reading is from July 18th to July 24th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Scorpio. Okay, let's see your recent past. 4 of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, 7 of Pentacles. I think one person in this connection is not expressive. They are not expressing their feelings, their real feelings to you. But there is some communication is already happened between both of you. Some truth coming out. And 7 of Pentacles, one person invests in this connection more than the other person. Obviously, because one person is not expressive, other person is expressive. One person not investing as much as the other person, but one person is investing more in this connection. There is no balance I am getting. But some communication is already happened between both of you. Lot of earth energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see what is going between both of you on this connection right now. What is going on this connection right now? High Priestess. The Emperor. Ten of Cups. Trust your intuition, definitely. High Priestess means trusting your intuition. And the Emperor, one person in this connection is very committed. I think who invests on this connection more, that's this person. And they want this happiness, 10 of Cups with their person. So one person is not expressing, but one person is very committed and they want this all happiness with their person. But trust your intuition who are watching this reading, depending upon your situation. So let's see your person, your future actions towards you. I think for some children are also involved in this connection. That could be third party also. For some, very few, not all. So let's see your person, your future actions. Beyond illusion, judgment. Politics. Why this card is coming again and again in all readings? Healing. I want clarification card for politics here. Control. Sorry for the guys. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yes, there are some control issues going between both of you. One person is very dominative. I think it is not expressing their feelings, that person I am getting. That's why there are some politics. They are not talking as much as you. They are not investing as much as you. There are some controlling issues and some politics. They are playing games with you. I think, but that is going to be, and because justice is here, healing, definitely King of Cups. They realize you both and they want to offer this King of Cup to you. For some, this is new connection is coming in your way because justice, you choose new, or for some you choose the past person after changing their behavior. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. See, trust. Trust means Page of Cups. They are coming with apology, projections. They are fantasizing about you a lot. 7 of Cups. Scorpio. Isolation. Without you, they're feeling isolated. And breakthrough, justice. Yes, judgment and justice. Definitely, if you want reconciliation with you, it will happen. Or you don't want this person, they will go. Decision is up to you, Scorpio. Because there are some controlling issues in past, but they realize you both. I'm getting without you, they're feeling isolated, or you feeling very isolated without them. But some reconciliation is coming in your way. They are coming with apology. So it's up to you to accept this apology or they offer. So this is the reading for Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.